Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix Bluetooth not connecting problem in your Galaxy M05. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on search. Here it is reset, then reset this Bluetooth setting. First click on reset and the setting is reset now. Then press back. You have to open your Bluetooth. If it is opening, that's okay, and if it is not, then you can restart your mobile phone, then it will be working. And the second step is click on apps, click on search bar. Here it is Android system. You have to clear cache this and press back. Go to again search bar. Here you have to write play services, click on it and clear cache this. It will fix these issues. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.